I think what makes us really strong here in the Central Valley is the fact that our families are so close-knit. Unfortunately, this is actually leading us to have some vulnerabilities with this virus, because whenever you have a large gathering of people from different households coming together, we're noticing that this virus takes off like a wildfire. With this virus, two's a crowd. One person who's infected can infect another person if they're not minding that social distance. It's also concerning that we're spreading this virus in populations due to gatherings and due to families just congregating. You can best protect your family by staying in your own home and staying away from your extended family during this time. It's just another way to show that you care about your community, about your neighbors, and the vulnerable people that we have in our lives. So there's no doubt in my mind we're gonna win. But we do have to acknowledge that we need to change the way that we live, the way that we interact with our loved ones, if we're going to survive together.